Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike, got the t-shirt to prove it, and I am back with video 2 on the second step. How cool is that? My second step, the second video, as I work my way up to a Bentley. Like that's really gonna happen. It could, it absolutely could happen, and it begins with the second step on the Mercedes E500. Let's see how far we have to go inside this engine to make her purty. Monkey Wrench Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Isn't she lovely? Love, love, love that color. I don't know what it is. Maybe because it matches my eyes. Yeah, anyway. Okay, so the goal today is not to screw anything up. Okay, we have most of the parts here. I just found that. That's interesting to see. Did I forget to put on the brake fluid cap on one of my cars? Probably. Okay, so the goal, we have some leakage right here, is to remove this bit right here. We're going to check the radiator, which I know is bad, but we're going to take all of this off, and we're going to pick up a radiator in the morning that's going to be arriving, and we're going to get everything back on. Okay, so this is so easy to remove. For the top radiator support, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. These are all 10s, 1, 2, right here. Then for this, which is your automatic transmission cooler, it attaches right back there. That's going to be fun to try to get, okay? Then this and the radiator, once you get the 2 radiator hoses off and a couple of other tubes off, hopefully that will come out as one piece. So, I know you like musical interludes. Let's get some good music going. I dressed up for you. Yeah, don't I look lovely? And we're going to get down and dirty. Not too difficult. We had a lot of things we had to remove. Okay, of course we had the upper radiator hose. Down here we had 2, see I have this kind of plugged. There's one transmission line cooler. There's another transmission line cooler line right there. I've undone the huge explosion. And yeah, we do need a radiator. It's got a little bulge right here. The explosion, of course, was the air conditioning R134A, the refrigerant. Yep. Forgot to do that. Yeah, that should have been done into the appropriate container. Mike forgot. Okay, anyway, then on this side, upper radiator hose, another radiator hose, and we have 2 lovely lines. The difference between this radiator and an E350 radiator are those 2 lines in front. See that one? And that one down below. Those are fun to get off. Those are just so much fun. Okay, now this unit should come out as a whole. It should easily, hopefully, well, how am I going to do this? Okay, sit there. And hopefully with one hand, I can do it. Except my refrigerant line is not letting go. Okay, let go. Okay, let go. There's one. Let go. Okay, one side let go. This side. Come on. Crap. Right there. That's what's not letting go. There, now it let go. Okay, hopefully this will come out. Okay, we're gonna set the camera down because this is gonna make me mad. We're bleeding a little bit. That's okay, that's fully fixable. But look at the cavity. That's it. And I think the light may have a broken tab. I'm gonna get the lights out of the junkyard as well. They weren't as pretty, but they'll have the tabs, I think, attached. Because I just want everything to be right on this little car. So there we have the cavity. Those are bits and pieces. That's a chew toy. Yep. The yeah. Okay, so I think this would have been fine, maybe. Your transmission cooler, this is definitely gone, okay? Although it was holding pressure. And then, let go. Then the radiator, completely busted. And looks like the fan made a little impression. It left an impression right there on him. Okay, and there's the fan. So, I have 2 of those 3 parts ready to go. I do have the fan ready to go, and I have the upper radiator core support ready to go, and that little cross member piece right there ready to go. So once I get the radiator, we can get this all back together. I just want to see what's wrong with my lights. So let's take off the bumper, and we're going to see what's wrong with the lights. Let's do that. Okay. Not going to show you how to do it because the bumpers are really easy to take off. It's literally a bolt there, bolt here, bolt here, bolt there, and then that slidey thing under here. Okay, super easy to do. And that is how we end the video, folks. Yeah, the radiator didn't come in, so I had to come on vacation. So I'm here with my sister and Lori. People are jet skiing and everything right there. We're singing. There we go. So we'll pick up the video when the radiator comes in, but now I want to show you guys what life is like here just off the coast of Naples and Bonita Springs, Florida. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Don't forget, Cash App, $3 right there, the Benz Guy 99, and I'll send you a sticker wherever you are. They're going to Saudi Arabia, Australia, the Netherlands, all over the US. So it's just cool to hear from people and see the pictures of their car with my little sticker on them. Okay, folks, have a great day. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go dolphin searching. That's what we're gonna do. All right, see you later.